Here we will write a program to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit using Python. So first we will open the IDE. Then we will add new file. In comment line we will write program description. The formula for converting temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit is Celsius into 1.8 plus 32. Then we will accept the temperature in Celsius from the user. Then in Celsius variable we will accept the temperature by converting it to float. So float input enter temperature in Celsius. Then we will calculate Fahrenheit temperature. So FPH equal to Celsius into 1.8 plus 32, and then we will print the output using print function. So print, we will use F for formatting, temperature in Celsius equal to in Fahrenheit. Then we will save it. We will name it as Celsius to Fahrenheit .py and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the temperature in Celsius. I will enter 32. It will display temperature in Celsius is 32, which is equal to 89.6 in Fahrenheit.